The PPG MoonWalk automated paint mixing solution continues to redefine efficiency, accuracy, and consistency in the mixing room. Let's start by discussing what makes MoonWalk unique. The system features an automatic barcode reader that scans every toner before dispensing, verifying each product to ensure the correct toner is used for every mix. Its ultra-precision integrated scale delivers an air-proof mixing process that is 10 times more color accurate than if hand mixing on a standard scale. The toner bottles that you already keep on your mixing bank are installed upside down directly into the system. This design maximizes product utilization with less than 1% of the paint remaining in each bottle when swapped off the bank. We've seen these product savings firsthand in shops that have installed a PPG MoonWalk, helping reduce waste, lower material costs, and get more value from every toner bottle. And because MoonWalk is fully integrated with the PPG Link digital ecosystem, your mixing operations become more connected and efficient than ever. Today, PPG MoonWalk remains the proven leader in automated paint mixing, with more than 3,000 systems deployed worldwide. Every installation is backed by a robust network of certified distributor technical representatives who have been certified to support the system and assist customers throughout installation, transition, and ongoing operation. You may have seen several automated mixing systems that have entered the refinish market, yet PPG MoonWalk continues to stand apart as the innovative leader. Here's why. MoonWalk has the smallest footprint in its class, requiring approximately 10% less floor space than the next automated dispensing system. This compact design helps you maximize valuable shop floor space while keeping your mixing room organized and efficient. Now, unlike some competitive solutions, MoonWalk does not require a secondary set of toners to keep on hand. You can continue using the same toners that are already on your mixing bank, simplifying inventory management, saving space, and reducing costs. Additionally, some automated models require you to manually pour liquid products into bulk canisters on a machine. Now, this additional step increases setup time while introducing the risk of batch contamination from pouring in the wrong product, as well as clogged dispensing lines and the loss of batch traceability should a product recall ever occur. Not to mention the time and labor required to manually transfer every toner into those canisters. But with PPG MoonWalk, you avoid all that extra hassle. When it comes to accuracy, MoonWalk continues to set the industry standard. It is 10 times more accurate in color than manual mixing and 5 times more accurate than the next closest automated system that relies on scale dispensing. While some competing machines use volumetric dosing instead of weighing each dispense, without an integrated precision scale, volumetric dosing systems can be affected by changes in viscosity and other variables, resulting in reduced dispensing accuracy over time. Now, this is why it is important that PPG MoonWalk leverages a scale. When you combine industry-leading accuracy, the smallest footprint in its class, exceptional material utilization, seamless integration with the PPG Link digital ecosystem, and a proven global support network, it is easy to see why PPG MoonWalk continues to be the industry leader for automated paint mixing.